A few days ago, I asked ChatGPT to code a trading strategy that uses only one entry signal indicator, one exit signal indicator, and one filter indicator. And it did exactly that. ChatGPT chose a simple MA crossover as entry signal, the RSI as exit signal, and the ADX as a filter. I checked the script, made a few modifications, and then started optimizing. And the final optimization blew my mind. Despite its low trade count, it works in every asset category and on many time frames. I checked Forex, stocks, crypto, metals, and indexes, and I could find very profitable setups in each category. In this video, I will explain the indicators needed and the rules of the strategy. After that, I will show you the optimization and the backtest results. And the best part, I will share the full Pinescript source code for free. Hello everyone and welcome to TradeSmart AI. If you are new here and want to see more strategies like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. With that out of the way, now let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first of all open up TradingView and set up the EUR/JPY 30-minute chart. Once you got that, open up the Indicators tab and let's set our indicators. For this strategy we will use 4 indicators. First type in Moving Average, Simple, and add this one 2 times. Then type in RSI and add this one. And finally type in ADX and click on this one. Now we have all of the indicators needed on the chart, but we need to modify a few settings. First open up one of the SMAs, set its length to 20, then open up the other SMA and set its length to 80. Next, open up the RSI settings, set its length to 20, then switch to the Styles tab, untick the RSI based MA as we won't need that. Set the upper band to 80, color it red, and set the lower band to 60 and color it green. And you can also untick the RSI middle band. Finally, open up the ADX, set its smoothing to 90 and the DI length to 15. Also, we need to add a horizontal line to the ADX, so go here, then click on the horizontal line, then click on the ADX and set the coordinates to 20. Now the strategy is fully set up on the chart, so let's go over the long and the short entry rules. Here we have a valid long entry signal. Don't forget the optimization I made is a long only strategy. This green line represents the 60 level, and on the entry signal candle, the RSI is slightly below it. Then the ADX needs to be above the 20 level. On the signal candle, the red ADX line is well above the 20 level. And finally, the fast moving average needs to cross above the slow moving average. The red line is the fast moving average and the blue line is the slow moving average. And as you can see, the fast moving average just crossed above the slow one on the signal candle. We can enter into the position at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. This script does not use any stop losses, but if you want to be extra safe, just tell ChatGPT that you need a percentage based, a pip based, or an ATR based stop loss in the script. We will take profits when the RSI goes above the 80 level. This red line represents the 80 level, and as you can see, the RSI first started going down, and then it crossed the 80 level right on this candle. Our script closed the position on the next candle's open. As I said, this is a really simple strategy. Now let me show you a screenshot of a short position, then I will show you the full strategy script of this strategy that you can get access for free. Okay, this is the full strategy script. You can set all of the settings of each indicator right here, and on the bottom we have a trade mode option, which lets you choose which directions you want to trade. If you want to trade long only, just click on long only, if shorts, then click on shorts, and if you want to allow both, click on both. Keep in mind that if you click on both, then the exit criteria is also met if we get an opposite signal. For this optimization, I choose to go with long only, and these are my settings. So how to get access to this script? Go down into the description of this video or into the comment section. I will leave there a Google Drive link where you can download the full strategy script for free. Once you found that, just copy the whole code, Open up Pine Editor, click on Open, then New Strategy, then highlight everything here, and paste the code right there. Finally, click on Add to Chart. If you've done everything correctly, you should see the strategy right here. And now, let me show you the backtest for Forex, stocks, indexes, metals, and crypto. For Forex, I will be using a $10,000 capital, a 20,000 order size, and a 50 tick slippage as a fee. This backtest result is for the last 20,000 candle, which means a 2-year time interval on a 30-minute chart. As you can see, this is a beautiful equity curve. The script only took 19 trades, but it has a high win rate, a high profit factor, a pretty low maximum drawdown with a 44% net profit. I am pretty comfortable with a 20% maximum drawdown, so let's change the settings. I will set the order size to be 40,000, and now the strategy made almost 90% gain with a 24% maximum drawdown. Let's take a look on a few other Forex pairs. On all JPY, it's great. On all USD too. On CHF's JPY, Euro GBP and Euro JPY, Euro NZD, and so on. As you can see, we have many great pairs, and if we check lower and higher time frames, you will find that almost all of them are profitable. Now let's take a look on the stocks. On Apple 30-minute, it's great. Airbnb, great. AMC, good. Coinbase, it's around break even. Disney is bad. Google is great. JP Morgan, also good. McDonald's too. Meta too. And so on. Again, let's see the other time frames. On Apple, 3-minute is not good. 5-minute is getting better. 10-minute is break even. 15-minute is great. 30-minute is good. 1 hour, 4 hour, and 4 hour. Now let's see a few indexes and metals. On the 30-minute, gold is profitable, silver 2, oil 2, US 32, US 100, SPY, SPX, Nifty, Nikkei is amazing, Dow Jones, and so on. Let's see the SPY on lower and higher time frames. 1 minute, it's good. 3, good. 5, good. 10 is not so good. 15, good. 30 is great. 1 hour is good too. 2 hour. And the 4 hour. We still can see that it takes only a few trades, but those few trades are very good, and probably that is why this strategy is profitable on so many assets. Finally, let's see the crypto pairs. For crypto, I will change the order size back to 20,000, the slippage to 2, and the commission to 0.1%. On Aave 30-minute is profitable, ADA 2, Algo 2, Aptos 2, Arbitrum is break-even, Aton is profitable, Bitcoin is great. Actually, the strategy was optimized for Bitcoin, but I found that it works on many other assets. Ethereum is good too, Gala, FTM, and so on. Let's see the lower and higher time frames on Ethereum. 3-minute is profitable, 5 profitable, 10 is great, 15 is great, 30 yes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and a 4 hour. Well, as you can see, it's profitable on almost everything. So that's why I wouldn't rank this in the strategy ranking spreadsheet, as I couldn't choose just one asset that is the best. But don't worry, I will put up the strategy to the spreadsheet. And that wraps up today's video. If you like this one, don't forget to help out the channel by liking this video and subscribe. And if you want to leave us a tip, check out our Patreon and become a community member for a month. If you are interested in how you can code any TradingView indicator into a strategy script with absolutely zero coding knowledge, check out this video. Or if you are interested which cryptocurrencies I'm looking to buy before the halving, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.